Welcome. In front of me is HP ProBook 635, and in this video I will show you how to connect a Bluetooth device to this laptop. First, click on the three icons in the bottom right corner of your screen. To enable Bluetooth, click on the Bluetooth icon right here, then click on the arrow button next to the arrow icon next to the Bluetooth, and then in order for your device to see the Bluetooth device that you want to connect, you have to put it in pairing mode. I can't tell you how to do this because each device has a specific way to do this. So if you want to know how to put your device in pairing mode, you'll have to read the instructions to it. And as you can see, my device just appeared on the list. So if I want to connect to it, I just have to click on it once. And right now I'm connected. I have my headphones or earphones connected. And if I want to disconnect, I have to click on them and click disconnect. And if you want to forget the device, you have to go to the to click on this arrow icon right here, then double click the Bluetooth icon, and then select the device that you want to forget or remove, and click remove right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.